Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're passionate about the latest in camera technology and eagerly awaiting news about the Canon EOS R6 Mark III, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into the latest rumors, leaks and expectations surrounding the R6 Mark III, including its possible announcement date, rumored specifications, and how it might stack up against the competition. Canon EOS R6 Mark III. What we know so far. 4 months, the release date for the Canon EOS R6 Mark III has been a moving target. Initial reports suggested a Q4 2024 launch, then it shifted to early 2025. Now, new information suggests Canon may officially announce the R6 Mark III in late May 2025, alongside 2 new RF lenses. This latest update comes from an authorized retailer, making it one of the most reliable sources we've had so far. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II has been a fantastic camera, offering a great balance of speed, image quality, and video capabilities. However, the big question remains: is the R6 Mark III worth the wait? In this video, I'll break down what we know so far and what you should expect from Canon's next big mirrorless release. Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Expected features and specs. Rumors about the Canon EOS R6 Mark III specifications have been circulating for quite some time. While many of them remain unverified, several sources agree on a few key details. Sensor upgrade. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is rumored to feature a 24-megapixel stacked full-frame sensor, similar to the one found in the Canon EOS R3. This would be a significant improvement over the R6 Mark II standard full-frame sensor. Autofocus enhancements. The camera is expected to incorporate Canon's latest AI-powered autofocus system, which was first introduced in the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. This should bring even better subject tracking and faster performance. CF Express Type B card slot. Unlike its predecessor, which only had SD card slots, the R6 Mark III may feature at least one CF Express Type B slot, providing faster read and write speeds for high-resolution images and video. New LCD design. Canon may take inspiration from Sony Alpha cameras, potentially incorporating a 5-axis articulating LCD with an OLED option. Digic X processor. An improved Digic X image processor could enhance image processing speeds and low-light performance, making it a top contender in the mirrorless market. Improved video capabilities. 4K 60p and possibly 6K video recording with enhanced dynamic range are among the rumored upgrades. How does it compare to the competition? The Canon EOS R6 Mark III isn't launching in a vacuum. It will be going up against tough competitors like the Sony a7 IV, Nikon Z6 III, and even Canon's own EOS R5 Mark II. Here's how it might stack up. Against the Sony a7 IV. Sony has been leading in autofocus technology and dynamic range, but if the Canon EOS R6 Mark III features a stacked sensor and AI-driven autofocus, it could surpass Sony in both speed and tracking accuracy. Against the Nikon Z6 III. Nikon's Z6 lineup has long been praised for its excellent low-light performance and robust video features. If Canon includes better internal recording options and improved noise reduction, the R6 Mark III could become the preferred hybrid shooter for photographers and videographers alike. Against the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. If you're debating between the R6 Mark III and the R5 Mark II, the biggest difference may come down to price. The R5 Mark II is expected to be significantly more expensive, so if Canon can deliver premium specs in the R6 Mark III at a lower cost, it could be a game-changer. Is the R6 Mark III worth the upgrade? The Canon EOS R6 Mark II has been one of the most well-rounded mirrorless cameras in its price range, and with Canon seemingly pushing more features into the Mark III, this could be one of the best upgrades yet. However, if you're currently using an R6 Mark II, is it worth upgrading? Here's a breakdown of who should consider the R6 Mark III. If you're still using the original Canon EOS R6, this will be a significant jump in performance, with better autofocus, faster processing, and improved video capabilities. If you own the R6 Mark II, the upgrade might not be as drastic unless Canon surprises us with major video recording features like 6K or 120 frames per second in 4K. For video creators, the addition of CF Express support and improved heat management could make it an ideal camera for professional video work. Final thoughts. What we expect in late May. With a possible announcement in late May, we're excited to see what Canon has in store. Whether it's enhanced low-light performance, groundbreaking autofocus improvements, or a completely redesigned body, the R6 Mark III has the potential to shake up the camera industry. So, what are you hoping to see in the Canon EOS R6 Mark III? Do you think it's going to be worth the wait? Or would you rather stick with the Canon EOS R6 Mark II or even the Sony a7 IV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you're planning to upgrade, consider checking out the latest camera deals through my affiliate links in the description. Your support helps keep Techno Trend Zone running, allowing me to bring you the latest news and in-depth reviews.